Hey guys, my name is Chelsea. I'm one of the makeup artists at Beauty Collection Manhattan Beach, showing you a quick and easy mermaid Halloween look featuring 5 of our giveaway items. I wanted some beachy waves, so I'm spraying my hair with the Philip B Maui Wowie salt spray to add some texture and volume. Begin with your favorite foundation. Next, fill in your brows with our first giveaway, the By Terry Precision Waterproof Eye Pencil in the color Neo Indigo. Our second giveaway is the Smashbox Cover Shot Bold Eye Palette. Use this light pink shade as a base. I chose this green shade for my entire lid area. Feel free to use whichever color you like. I wanted a simple eye look, so I just went with a couple coats of mascara. For a more dramatic look, throw on some false lashes. Our third giveaway is the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in the color Transcendence. I will be applying this with my damp beauty blender on the high points of my cheek, my nose, my chin, and a little on my forehead. For the scales, I use fishnet stockings. Going back to the Smashbox palette, I'm going to be using that pink, green, and blue shade. I'm using a small contour brush to dab in the color. Be careful not to lift and move the net. I will be applying this around my cheek area and my forehead. I cut a piece of the fishnet stocking to apply the scales on my neck, and I'm going to go in with those same 3 shades. I contoured my nose using that same pink shade. And then I also feel like I needed some more scales, so I added a few more on my chest. Our fourth giveaway is the Winky Lux lipstick in the color Dandy, topping it off with our fifth giveaway, the Stila Glitterati lip top coat. And that completes this look. Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween!